When you hear this, your sinter furnace must be in trouble. Don't worry, Vsmile will help. The heartbeat of your dental lab, the sinter furnace, when it stops. So that's your workflow. Hard to find parts, no good service. Vsmile solves all your worries in one go. At Vsmile, we have a department specialized in dental sintering furnace parts because we understand your needs. Look at these heating elements. It has a purity that reaches 1800 degrees. It can ensure your sinter furnace to get an excellent artistic run. Also, you may familiar with this one. This is usually for Gauge furnace. This one can reach 1620 degrees. We provide not only high quality parts, but also a professional team on standby to offer you 7 plus 24 hours response and technical support. Choose Vsmile, choose worry-free. Let's breathe new life into your sintering furnace together.